I'll do fault codes first, and I'm going to show you how the coding works. And all I need to do is plug this in, like that. Stick the ignition on. Actually, engine doesn't need to be running. And if we go into the Carly app, connect with the universal scanner. So now we're scanning, just trying to find the device on the network. I've got a green tick. So I've got diagnostics, use car check, so I can detect whether the mileage has been tampered with. Customization, which is coding and other features. So I'll start with diagnostics, and I'm going to press check for issues. So the car's now being checked. So far 21% of systems checked, and I've got 1 issue. So we'll find out what that fault code is. 11 issues. Pete's behind the camera worrying now. 13 issues. Ooh. Right, we're on 75%, okay. 40 issues found.
Christ.
Many issues. Many issues. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clear it and then rescan and see how many come back, because a lot of these could be historic. So press clear. All right, so second scan, the majority of the issues have gone away, but I've got an issue with the instrument cluster, an issue with the high beam and the central electronics, which I think is probably the body control module. And it gives me some descriptions here. So minor issues are rain light sensor implausible signal, disturbed communication on the LIN master, which you can Google, to do with the in-car comms, and it gives me the opportunity to clear those. I'm going to leave those on. And then the other one is this D90 COF code, and it gives you the mileage that it last occurred at. So I'm going to leave those for now and we'll come back to them, but it looks like it's quite minor stuff. Initially it was scary because there were hundreds of codes, but I feel more happy about it. So let's go into coding. Your benefits: customize your car specifically to your needs. So you can do things like activate folding mirrors, change the percentage of the mirror dip, so when you put the car into reverse, the left-hand mirror will tilt automatically and you can change the angle of that. You can change when the fuel light comes on, wiper interval, or how many squirts of washer fluid it does. All kinds of trick stuff like that that makes the car much more personal. So you can set it up exactly how you want. But for this example, we're just going to basically check coding possibilities and hopefully make his car sound like a Rolls Royce. It's created a backup. Warning and menu sounds. I can change it to Mini, BMW I, which is like the electric version, Rolls Royce, or Toyota Supra. Or Toyota Supra. But we'll go for Rolls Royce. Code now. Agreed. So that should be done now.
Yeah.
There you go. That's done it, hasn't it?
Yep. It's like a slightly more muted version of the classic BMW bong.
Yeah. Brung, brung. So it really is as simple as that. So if you're interested in coding and diags and you want a really easy way to do it, the scanner supports diag codes for all makes and models, but the coding side of it is only BMW Mini, Volkswagen Audi Group and Mercedes.